What do you say to the do-it-yourself bride or groom? My uncle just got this great new camera and he's volunteered to shoot our wedding. My best friend, she makes cupcakes really well. She's gonna make our wedding cake. I can order flowers online and just make the centerpieces myself. We don't need a DJ. We're just gonna put our favorite songs together on a playlist. When the couple indicates that they are thinking of using an amateur, just about everybody in the wedding industry will tell them exactly the same thing. You should be using a professional. It's your wedding day. Why would you trust it to an amateur? Why would you try to do that yourself? This will certainly lead to disaster. You should use a professional. But what has always puzzled me about the wedding industry is that the same people who preach the importance of hiring a professional over and over and over again when talking to prospective customers will then turn around and design their own logos, design their own business cards, brochures, ads, and websites. That promotion piece that you created in Print Shop or Word probably looks a little less than professional. That website you put together yourself probably doesn't look as good as that of your competitor. Heed your own advice and get professional help with your website and marketing materials. Your brochure and website are often the prospective customer's first impression of your business. Now, lots of people are in the market for what you sell, and they're going to buy from someone. They became aware of your company, looked you up, but didn't bother to reach out and go any further than that. Why did that happen? It's likely that your advertising message did not excite them, or worse yet, turn them off. Promoting your business in the right places is only the first step, but that's where most wedding professionals stop. Sending the right message is equally as important.